I'm gonna break the egg. Oh, wait, no, that's not good. I can break the egg. Alright, Trevor's gonna break the egg. Hey, let me break this one. Hit the egg a little harder. Come on, be a real man. There you go, man. You want me to show there? Put that in the shit. No, okay. Alright, we got one egg. Raw. Single egg. Louisiana hot sauce. We're gonna throw that in that. Oh, hey, that's enough. We're at 50 seconds, guys. Wait, just enough 15 seconds. Yeah, no, the Instagram video is literally less than half a minute. I know, but chop it up. You can chop it up really good, dude. Chop. Oh, you got to use that one. Oh, wait, yeah. Okay. Green pepper sauce by Tabasco. Green pepper sauce. Go throw it in there. I'm gonna take a shot of that bitch. Shut up, guys. Yeah, it's gonna be sick as hell. Cholula. Hot sauce. Go throw it on. Hey, get some sriracha. What are y'all doing? Go get some sriracha. Alright, a man's getting sriracha. Is this another Louisiana hot sauce? Oh, that's Texas. That's in Texas. Texas tea hot sauce. Dude, say that, dude. That's gonna be sick. You're gonna throw it up. That's my sandwich spread. Sandwich spread. I mean, it wouldn't hurt. Hey, guess what? Sriracha. Sriracha. Nah. Mix it up. How do we do that? Swirl it. Go get a spoon. Swirl it hard. You gotta swallow yolk whole. Oh my god, you're gonna puke so hard. Alright, Trevor, you ready? Oh my god. Almost done. Get near the toilet. You're gonna puke immediately after. Are you kidding me? I'm not gonna puke. Yes, you are. Puke time, bitch.